Alright, we're gonna do a box of '09 Bowman Sterling. So here we go. Some of these cards from any of my, my box breaks will be in my eBay. NIC NOLTE 1969, Nick Nolte 1969. And shipping's always free, so check it out. Alright, I want some Ichiro action, some color, some good autos. Let's go. Shinosuke Abe. He sells pretty good, so that'll be on the eBay. I'm probably destroying some of these names, but oh well. What are you gonna do? Alright. We got a Matt Latos rookie. Nothing huge. Nice Dan Hudson autograph. Eric Arnett auto. Little EA Sports. Chen Hao Lee. Nothing big. And Chad Lundall. Lundall prospect card. No color, no refractor action, but let's make it up this box. Alright, we got a little black refractor action here, so that's good. Aaron Bates rookie. Doesn't look to be a black refractor auto though. It's one of the game used World Baseball Classic cards. Tyler Matzik is a good auto there. Save that bad boy. It's a good one. Save that for myself. Ah, nice Gordon Beckham. Sweet. No refractor, but still a good card. And I got a bunch of these, so I'll probably sell this one. So this one will be on my eBay. NIC NOLTE 1969. And Jin Young Lee, black refractor. I think these are numbered to 25. Yep. Cool. So that should sell well. I don't collect this guy, so definitely gonna sell that bad boy. And a Will Smith. Let's go. Red and gold refractor action. Let's go. I've had red pulled for me, but I've never pulled my own red refractor. So out of this, I've pulled it out of regular Bowman, but not because she is Sterling. A little refractor action, and looks like I got Vicedo here because it's a redemption. Eric Young Jr. Rookie refractor, numbered to 199. Venditti action. Pat Venditti. Switch pitcher. Pitches with both arms. Nolan Reimold, rookie auto. That was my duel. Posey and Cervelli. Thought it was Aceto. And Jin Young Lee again. The refractor version. Got the black. Now I got the regular refractor version, so I will probably sell that and just throw in this, sell the black one and just throw this one in with it. And Michael Pineda, prospect card. Alright, box pack 4. Mon color. Let's go. Alex Avila, rookie. Nothing huge. Mike Trout, that's a good one. Rookie auto. Geez, a double Mike Trout. Wow, 2 in a row. Love that. At least it's a good one.
Chickadee China, the Chinese chicken?
Back to back Mike Trouts. Ah, one's a refractor. There you go. Okay. I'll probably keep the regular and I'll sell the refractor.
Oh. Do you want some Chinese chicken? Or something with people? Help! Help!
Justin Erasmus.
They can take the bat back to the front porch.
And Christopher Schwinden. Mets rookie.
Oh, God!
Do me a favor, go in the other room for a little bit.
No, take the cat out.
In the other room. For a few minutes, okay? I'm almost done. They won't be able to hear when... Hey, D!
Yeah? Yes?
I'm doing something. Go. I'm almost done, buddy, okay? Carlos Torres. Chris Heisey. I hope so. Can you go check it out, please? You left the door open. They might have went out, so make sure you see the dogs there. Chad James. Nice Ichiro. I'll sell that Ichiro. Since I got a couple of them. They sell pretty good too. That's a nice one. Nice black jersey. And John Owings. And then last pack. We're going to do this quick because the kids are here and back inside and it's going to get noisy. Michael Saunders. Bobby Borchering. Justin Masterson. Refractor of Anthony Ortega. And the Felipe Almont. Alright. Thanks, guys. Thanks for checking it out.